Green versus green. Sa committee lang dito. Sayang yun, Paul. Ito, magandang laban ito, Paul versus Jet. Suntukan din ako nito. Kaya ko yung liwanag na sa akin ni Joshua. Get ready, great team, battle for third. Ano, rep, game na, rep. Game na. Let's go, Gray versus Green. Ray, magsulat ko na yung pangalan mo, please. Ray, magsulat ko yung pangalan. Inbound by Abellano. Abellano passes to Rojas, passes it back to Abellano. Big fakes the pass, what a speed! Pero na-block ni Kuya Rizal. Gonzaga, shoots the ball, wala. Rebound ni Paul. Grabe si Paul. Pinasa kay Medyo. Wala. Jay, pinasa kay Ameliano. Ameliano takes the jumper. Rebound again. Grabe yun. What a bagi. Trazan. Takes the ball for the break. Ball. 1-0. Kuya Jong makes his move on Gonzaga. Passes. Castillo ni Aldrin. Grabe, ang bilis naman nun. Gonzaga. What a jumper. Baka Kobe yan. Kuya Jong takes his own jumper. No good. Rebound ulit ni Paul. Oy, clear mo muna. Clear mo muna, Paul. Good. Green ball, green ball. Grabe naman yun, Jen. Brings the bundle. 3-0 in favor of the green team. Dito Paul for 3. No good. Aldrin with the rebound. Jump ball. Kanino ball naman? Green ball. Gray ball. Gray ball. Kuya John bounce the ball for the green team. Pinasa kay Paul. Paul versus Rojas. Kuya John pinasa ulit kay Paul. Aldrin takes the 3. Kobe! Grabe naman rin si Gonzaga. May Rins na bago, may Kevin Yambang. What a block by Gonzaga. Rebound ulit. Tito Paul for 3. Pinasa kay Paul Brazan. Nakuha ni Aldrin, labas mo muna. Hindi tukyo ito. Aldrin, teardrop, no good. Rebound ulit Aldrin. Pakulit talaga. Gonzaga takes his jumper. Takes another jumper. Wala. Rebound Brazan. Sizes up. Ken Rojas. What a move! But Tito Paul. First points for the green team. What a block again by Paul. Tito Jong. Ay, Kuya Jong. For 3. For 3. Isang, ano na lang. Isang photos na lang. Green team. What a pass by Paul to Paul. And Rojas. Pinasa kay Aldrin. Aldrin. What a Pinoy step. Pero wala. Paul, rebound. Pinasa kay Kuya Jong. Kuya Jong. No good. Uy. Nagugulang si Gino. Si Aldrin, pinasa kay Jen, nakuha ni Kuya Jong. Gray ball, nakita yun. Nag-smile pa pa kasi Jen. Kuya Jong, pinasa kay Tito Paul, nag-drive. What a move! Tito Paul with his own rebound. What a shot over his own side. Jen Gonzaga, nag-drive. What a tutata! By Paul Brazan. Pang-5 niya ata yan. Paul with a teardrop. Wala. Jen with his own rebound. Hindi yung bola. Pinasa kay Aldrin. Aldrin takes the 3 points. Bang! Score is 6-4 in favor of the green team. Nastil! Si Aldrin. Gray ball. Dito po, nasa kay Paul. What a move! Pero wala. Rebound ni Aldrin. Here's the ball. 3 points. Wow! 3 points. points. Wala. Rebound ni Tito Paul. Tito Paul. 3 points. Wala. Pasa yun eh. Nice assist. Aldrin passes to Ted Rojas. Wala. Rebound ni Pedro. Here's the ball. Passes to Tito Paul. Passes to Black Pedro. 6-second shot clock. 3 points. Wala. Rebound na Aldrin. Aldrin Ameliano. Nag-dribble ng bola. 5-second shot clock. Green team. Pinasa kay Jen. Jumper. Easy basket for Red Zapato. Green team is up by 2 points. Substitution. Timeout. Green team. Score is 7-5 in favor of Green team. Winner of this ball game is awarded with a 3rd place trophy. Great ball. Lopez inbounds for the Green team. Lopez passes to Brazan. Takes the 3-point, makes his move over Ted Ross. What a move! Score is down to 7-6. Ted Gonzaga clears the ball for the Green team. Ted makes his move on Tito Paul. Paul Brazan takes the 3. Green team is now up by 2 points. What a block by Paul Brazan. Oh, isa pa Paul. For 3. Wala. What a pass by Gonzaga. Hoy, wala. Dito Paul, nilabas yung bola. Binabantayan ng anak niya. Binigyan ng screen ni Paul Brazan. Tito Paul, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Rebound di wala. Andre for 3. Bang, bang. Nice the ball game. 9-0. Paul Brazan clears the ball for the Green team. 4 passes to Lopez. Substitution.
Let's score the number.
Good ball. Gonzaga passes to Ameliano. Fakes the 3 points. Rebound ni Kurt Gloria. That is Stoyer. Pinasa kay Andre. Grabe naman yun, Speedy. Na-rebound ni Paul Brazan. Paul Brazan sizes up Kurt Gloria. Pinasa kay Tito Paul. Tito Paul takes his time for 3. Wala. All night. Last 2 minutes, 20 seconds of the ball game. Substitution. We are jumping for Tito Paul. Green inbounds the ball. Last 2 minutes. Gonzaga doesn't hit his jumper. Lopez makes his move on Aldrin, doesn't. Pinasa na kaya jump. Out of bounds. Green. Great ball. 5 seconds shot clock. 3, 2, 1. Violation. Green ball. Good yan. 3 points. Aldrin. Uy, wala. Rebound na rin na Destroyer. Jed, pinasa kay Jed. Butata ka dyan. Okay po. Bumawi naman. 10-9 in favor of the green team. Point. Isolation play. What a move! Yun lang. Grabe naman yun. Okay. Nagsasagutan si Pacquiao at si Black. Third Gloria to Destroyer. Good ball. With a jumper. Like that. Lamang, Gray. Aldred passes to Jed. Uy, makes the three. Layup. Wow. Number 30. Ball goes out. Jed looks to give this team a 1-point lead if he makes these 2 free throws. Makes his first free throw. Pagla na, 11-11. Jed, drop the dice for the green team. Uy, what a fake! Uy, what a butataan! What a... Grabe ka si Biana, tsaka si Bakla. Oh, looks to make 2 free throws to give the lead to the green team. First free throw is good for Paul. Gives him a 1-point lead. 12-11. If he makes another, 2 points to go. 1 minute left in the ball game. Rebound na Jed. High flyer naman yun. Jed pinasa kay Aldred. Aldred takes his 3 points. Aldred, nakutan na ulit ng ball. Rebound ni Pedro. Pedro pinasa kay Lopez. Pinasa kay Paul. Dalawang puntos na yung lamang ng green. 40 seconds left in the game. Jed for 3. Wala. Rebound ni Paul. Pinasa kay Pedro. Pedro pinagamit ng oras. 8 seconds shot clock Pedro. Gray ball. Nakuha mo rin. Shot clock. 5 seconds for the green team. 26 seconds left in the ball game. Jump for the jumper. Wala. Rebound to Jed. Jed, 3 points ka na. 7 seconds shot clock. Uy! 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 Wala. 8 seconds left in the ball game. Ulit mo! Wala! Kunin mo! Lopez! Congratulations! Great win! Next up, 3x3 finals. PMO versus Blue Pony.
Dapat 2 dito.
Congratulations, green team. Third runner-up sa green. Palakpakan naman natin si green team. Third runner-up. Congrats! Great team. Second runner-up. Congratulations! Lakpakan yung green team.
Shoutout sa pagbibignis ko lang. Thank you.